So today we're going to cover polynomials. Okay. Catherine, have you ever heard of a polynomial before?
Nope.
You haven't. Okay. Good. Good. Has anybody heard of polynomials before?
No, but I'm assuming some sort of shape that goes.
Oh, it's a shape.
I don't know.
Is it like a plastic polymer?
A plastic polymer. Oh, you guys are throwing out great words. Sonny, yesterday you were talking about something with the word prefix of poly. What was it?
Polyurethane.
Polyurethane.
Okay, polyurethane's a good one. But you were using polygraph. I think it was polytheism, right?
Polytheism, that's what it was. Yeah.
What was polytheism?
The belief in many gods.
The belief in many gods.
Also,
Okay.
many nominals.
Many nominals. Thank
And
you.
in order to.
Whatever nominals.
Okay. All right. So, what do you think poly means?
Multiple.
Poly products.
What does poly mean? More than one? Okay. Lana, does that
I
make
had a
sense? Poly?
neighbor named Polly.
Yeah, neighbor named Poly.
Was it more
Okay.
than one?
All right. So today, by the end of today, we should be able to add and subtract polynomials. All right. We're going to learn what polynomials are first, though. Okay. All right. To learn what a polynomial is, we have to know what a monomial is. If poly means many, mono means one,
Stupid names.
That's true.
and I don't know, something to do with Latin. So a monomial is a number, a variable, or a product of a number or one or more variables with whole number exponents. It's a lot of words, isn't it? A whole lot of words to explain something simple. Okay, so here's some examples. 10 is a monomial. 3 times x is a monomial. Negative 1.8 times m to the 5th power. Those are all monomials. Okay. Why are these monomials?
Because that's what math says there.
Because that's what math says they are. I guess so. I guess that's a good thing. Good idea. No, it's okay. Are we adding or subtracting anything to 10? No. 10 is just a number. It is one number, right? One thing. Or it could be a product, like 2 times 5. That's a product, okay? So it's one thing. There's no addition or subtraction in there, correct? How about 3 times x? 3x. That's one thing also, right? There's no 3x plus 2. It's just 3x. It is one term all on its own, right? Okay. Same thing with negative 1.8 m to the 5th power. That is still one thing. There's no addition, there's no subtraction. So, Lana, can you give me an example of another monomial? No? Huh? 5. Thanks, Alex. So Alex is saying that 5 is a monomial. And he's right. It's just a number. It's one number, right? Okay. Who else has an example of a monomial?
What's any number be?
Any number, yeah. So any number by itself is a monomial.
Why not?
10 is a monomial.
11?
11 is a monomial. How about 10 plus x?
Yes.
No. Yes.
No, I saw 3x. I thought yes.
Oh, okay. So
that's
10,
3 times x.
10 plus x, not, right? It's a non-example.
Oh, okay.
So it's
It's
not,
not by itself.
it's not by itself. We've got 10 and we've got x. They're added together, but you can't combine them, right? So, also, next thing we need to talk about is degree of a monomial. The degree of a monomial is the exponent that is raised to. Okay? What's 10 raised to right here? Is there any powers there? Okay. That looks like a 0, but it's not. It's just this spot. It's not raised to anything, right? So it's raised to the first power. Okay. Okay, so the degree on that's 1. How about 3x? What's it raised to? Zach? Raised to 1? Okay. How about negative 1.8 m to the 5th power? Okay. So the degree on this one is 5. So the degree of a monomial is the exponent that it is raised to. What do we know about the exponents that are going to be raised to? Ken?
The degree is like the exponent.
Yeah, exponents. Can we use 1/2 as the exponent?
Yeah, if you want. I mean, could maybe.
They have to be whole numbers.
Okay, hold on.
Whole numbers. Okay. So have to be whole numbers, and also they can't be negative. Okay. So it's be positive whole numbers. So a non-example would be x to the 1/3. That's not a monomial.
It can't be fractions.
It can't be fractions. Okay, it has to be whole numbers, and they have to be positive. So x to the -2, not a monomial.
X to the 19.
X to the 19th is. Thanks.
So negatives on?
Yeah. Okay. So Millie, can you give me a non-example of a monomial? Something that is not a monomial? 12 plus x. Perfect. 12 plus x is not a monomial.
Negative 5.
Oh, that's a good one. -5. Thanks, Charles. I like that one. Let's decide. Is this a monomial or not?
It's not.
It is.
It's a whole number, but it's negative.
Okay, it is a negative number, but is it an exponent? No. -5 is just a number, and it's raised to the first power. So -5 is any number we talked about. We said any number can be a monomial. So negatives are still monomials. What?
Oh, so only the exponent?
Only the exponent. Yeah.
So if it only has an exponent on it?
So if the exponent is negative or a fraction, then it's not a monomial. Okay? So Catherine, is -5 a monomial?
No. It's negative.
Okay, -5 is a number,
Oh, okay.
and it's raised to a positive exponent.
Right, so if the exponent's negative, then it's not. Okay.
Right.
Got it.
Okay. All right. You guys want some more time for this?
What do you mean?
Are you okay, or do you want more examples? Or?
No, I'm just gonna write it down.
Okay. Canberra, you need more time to read it.
Yeah. So what if it's a negative to a negative power? Does that make it a monomial?
Oh, a negative to a negative power. The power is still negative.
Okay, so it doesn't matter even though it's a
It
monomial?
doesn't matter.
Okay.
If the power is negative, then it's not a monomial.
5 to the negative first power is not a monomial.
5 to the negative first is not a monomial. Wait. Let's think about that. 5 to the -1. You put all your x's in this one?
What if they had 8?
Okay, and these are all negative.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sunny, you got it.
Oh,
Why?
What?
What's 12x minus 9x?
no. Just a couple I thought I switched.
Plus 1x
I started one way and then I started putting stuff
minus
together.
8x
Wait, these ones don't go here?
plus 17.
That
Oh
was.
wait, where's the 17? Is the 17 there?
That was.
Okay. So,
And those are
There's
so -11x. Okay, no, the same thing with these guys.
That would be
Should you really do
15 x to the second plus 25x. Right? I don't have that.
No. Yeah, you're doing it correct. So 15. So 109
6 guns times